All right. We are live, everyone. What's up? Let's get to work. S&P 500. We're going to do some day trading today. We're live for channel members. Welcome aboard, all the new members. We are live for university students. All that good stuff. So we got a couple minutes before the market opens. Let's get set up. Let me let everybody inside the room. Let's day trade the S&P 500, right? We do that every single day. We do it every day live for members of the channel and live for university students, right? For sure. So they're going to be coming on in here in a minute, and we should be good to go. All right. Let me make sure I let them in, right? Yeah, we're good. We got about 4 minutes. Hopefully y'all did good this weekend. Man, love it. Crypto looking good, baby. Woo. For those of you that are, again, we're live for members, university students, and then the video becomes public later. So, one thing about day trading, it's, during whatever session you're going to trade, you got to be present. So, obviously, as a channel member, you can watch it live. Right, so if you're following along, bam, there you go. You can make some money with this. We're good to go. Now we just wait until the market opens. What's going on, John?
Good morning, Jeff. How are you?
I'm doing great. How about you, my man?
I am doing well.
I like it. I like it.
Packers won last minute, so we're good to go.
You know what? They did. They did. It's crazy. Good game. Yep.
Feel bad for the Bears, but not too bad.
Yeah, exactly, right? Exactly. Well, my Cowboys play tonight, and the way they've been doing lately, it probably won't turn out too well. But I do like the Texans also, so I like the Cowboys better. But if the Texans beat them, I'll be okay with it just because the Texans have a better record and they got a better shot. We'll see what happens for sure. Malik, what's going on, Malik?
Good morning. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, y'all. Good morning. Y'all ready to rock? See if we can figure it out today.
Before market starts, can I ask one quick question?
Go for it.
Okay. Sometimes you mentioned setup number 1, setup number 2, sometimes is advanced setup. Actually, there are 4 setups I see in the course. There's the over, including here. Which one is the advanced setup?
Well, the advanced, there's 4 advanced setups.
Oh, there's the all 4 are is the advanced one, right?
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You got it, brother. Hey, you're welcome, my man. Great question. What's going on, Jeff?
Jeff, John, Malik, hey everybody, how's it going?
What's up? What's up? It's going great.
Getting a little pre-holiday projects in the queue here.
That's cool.
My wife has tasked me with my holiday lighting engineering duties.
Oh, nice, nice.
So, yeah.
That's
always fun in the Northwest this time of year, hanging off a ladder and blowing and raining,
Yeah, I imagine. We don't, very rarely is it cold, obviously. We got 1 more minute before the market opens, by the way, but today it's really windy, really windy.
We've got a cyclone bomb that's forming out in the Eastern Pacific right now, just off the coast of Washington. If you ever heard about the cyclone bombs before, it's like a hurricane on steroids.
Wow, no, sure happens.
Supposed to get hit with a little bit of it here starting tomorrow.
Damn. Well, good luck, my brother. Roy, Marco, what's up?
Morning.
What up?
What up?
All right, guys. Brandon, here we go. Big B. Yeah, guys, y'all, let's do good today. Again, who knows what the market's going to give us, right? But it's going to open up in 10 seconds, so let's get this bad boy rolling. Like I said, it's windy over here. It's not cold, but damn, that wind is pumping hard today. Feels like the wind's blowing like a damn hurricane. Here we go. All right, we are ready to rock. Market just opened up and it's flat. So let's let it shake out a couple minutes, do our thing. And let's see what we can do, right? We're price action traders focusing on the signals. And let's go from there. Let's do the best we can. Still testing out the new aggressive strategy. We're about 20-something trades deep. Got about 20 more to go. So again, still trying to iron out the money management rules. We'll go from there, right? We'll go from there. Brandon, Jeff, John, Malik, Marco, Roy. So far, that's who's in the room. And we got their WebEx. So if you have any questions, just type them in our WebEx. And we'll be good, right? That was a good question earlier too, Malik. Right? The advanced setup. The advanced is the one in the course. There's 4 setups. All the advanced. All right. Got a little fluctuating. Oh, let's go see if there's any news announcements today. No. We should be good. There's no news items. So we should be in for a nice, clean day. Should be, right? Market's sitting at -3. You've got another minute and a half. The VIX gapped up. Ticks are pretty flat, which is to be expected. I don't know what we got going on this week. But we're going to just trade it as is, right? As is. Where's my note card at? Hang on, my friend. What the fuck is it? Oh, here it is. All right. We're going to start marking levels here in a second. Start marking them. Market's flat. Just going to look at all the information. Y'all know what to do, right? Y'all know what to do. Take our shots when we get it, no matter what. It is what it is. All right, I'm going to start marking levels. 01. If you have questions on why we're marking stuff, just type it in our WebEx. Questions about anything that we're doing. I'll call out every single thing that I'm doing, right? Whether you do it or not, that's up to you. But I will be calling out everything that I'm doing, like constantly. I mean, y'all know what we're doing, but for some reason, if you don't, let me know. All right, let's mark the level. 92.25. I do the advanced setup is the only thing that I do in the first 15 minutes. I don't do nothing else but the advanced. Okay, we have the advanced, the aggressive. Yeah, we have a scalping technique, which hasn't really happened much. But right now, I'm looking to do the advanced. Setup number 1. Okay, setup number 1. We got our 2 key levels to start the morning. What's up, Mark?
Good morning, Jeff. Good morning, everybody.
What's up? What's up? Ready to rock. All right, let me just type in our group. Let's go. All right. See what we have here today. Ticks are coming in right now above the 0, pretty flat. Hopefully we can get some sustained momentum today, right? Just patience. That's all we got to do. Just takes, 1 or 2 trades. That's it, man. 1 or 2 trades will make you a full-time income. Because making a full-time income is nothing more than having a profitable system and then scaling up. Something I like about them. People say, well, how much money you make? How much money? That's immaterial, right? The more you put at risk, the more you make, obviously. Just trade what you're comfortable with, right? What you're comfortable with. Right? $300-$500 a day, $100 a day, $50 a day. All right. and not much yet. We're waiting to see if we can get, some type of pop here. Usually in the first 15 minutes, not really a lot of momentum. Normally, it's usually more of a fake outs, traps, right? S&P 500 is really good at faking you out, trapping you. It's kind of what it lives for. Take your money. Take your money. Took a lot of my money in the first 2 years. I can tell you that right now. Put me in a loony bin. Put me in the damn loony bin. All right. Just kind of chopping around. I'm watching my 2 levels. I'm not going to say nothing yet, but I do want to go long on a break up through 01. I'm going to go ahead and erase this key level. You guys know I draw the key levels, and then the software will draw it for you, so I like to erase it once it draws it. It's in the video. I think it's in video number 1, setting up your charts. All you got to do is get the code, and you get that. So let's go. I am going to go ahead and be thinking about going long on the probably the 88s. Okay. And again, if y'all have any questions or anything, let me know. The 88s. All right, let's see if we can get it. This will be my normal contract size. If I get it, okay? Because this is my advanced. Make sure you know the rules if you're going to trade this, right? It's in there. This is setup number 1. Quick momentum pop. My normal contract size. Everything looks good. Zooming into the 1 minute chart, we utilize that for our entry signal. Get some juice. Look at that. We had a little fake out down there at the bottom. So you can see pushed it down. Buyer stepped in right there. Everything looks good. Like to go long here. Remember though, I don't mess around. When I go with the advance, I get in. If it starts to go against me or it doesn't move quick, I get out. I have an entire video on exactly how I manage the advanced trade. But I'm going to tell you, all right, I've got out, or, hey, I'm scaling. I'm going to tell you what I'm doing. Don't worry. Right now, I'm looking for an explosion through the top to go long. Be patient. Normal size. No runners. I'm not doing any runners. I'm still debating again these runner things, man. I just don't think I'm going to be shooting for these runners right now. I think I'm going to be going for that set amount on that aggressive that we talked about. I can't come up with a system for the runner. All right. Let's kind of watch. See if we can get that explosion up through there, right? Watching our level. All right. Everything looks good. If you want to go the 87, it's okay. All right, let's watch. All right, so I'm going to be looking to see if we can get a signal. Again, don't worry. I'll tell you if I'm doing anything. What the hell? I'll tell you exactly. Just kind of watching this area here. This is the VWAP, right? The red line is the VWAP. Ooh, look at that. Selling down. All right. No harm, no foul yet. Just keep watching. You see how it reacted to that VWAP. Not doing much. Again, we're price action traders here. We're price action. That's what we rely on. Price action. And then we look at the ticks. We look at the VIX. That's all I use. Okay. S&P 500. I'm not using indicators. Yes, I have the squeeze and the Radium Fire Pro, but for this system, it doesn't need it. I'm just used to that being on the chart because I do use it option trading. So it's there. But we're price action. Japanese candlesticks. Y'all know that. Somebody asked me, will this work for the NASDAQ? Wait, the answer is, I don't know. I focus solely on the S&P 500. That's what I've been trading for 5 years. So, you know, you want to pick that one instrument in that one market and then just focus. I don't know. It might work. But that's what I trade here live. S&P 500. Better do something quick. All right, so let's take a look at the information. I'm going to constantly be talking about the information. So we had us a fake out down here, and we had us a fake out here. So remember that shark in the water concept. You've got I can't draw, but you got your boat. To the left side, there's a great white. It left. Now great white showing up on the right side. So we're going to jump out of the boat? No. We're not going to jump out of the boat on the left side or the right side. Not right now. Information. We got 2 fake outs. 2 fake outs in the first 15 minutes so far. Let me type in our chat group. The first 10, actually the first 15 minutes. So right now, where am I focused? We got to get ready for our next opportunity, okay? Now, remember, everything's going to be on the table. So now's whenever we'll really start getting more active. Things are going to start getting more active. 91.25, market purple, thick. This one looks good right there. I think we're going to be okay here. Start marking over here. Now we're going to wait until our 15-minute, our next setup, which is our 15-minute range. Market. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and clear out the active trader. I'm not taking this move up to the top. Do not do that. Information's there. I'll make this purple. I don't know why it's purple. Remember now, here pretty soon, the aggressive is going to be on the table. The aggressive will be on the table. Remember, I'm going to do, we have kind of 2 versions of the aggressive. Remember, still testing it, but 2 versions. Got our journal out and everything on that. So stick to the one version that you know, but I'm going to be, it's kind of like I don't have a name for it, but it's like a double aggressive. What's up, Joseph? Money bed in the house. Thanks for being here, Jay. All right, remember, double like aggressive. Stick to what y'all know. We got 4 strategies. Well, we got shit. Yeah, 4 strategies. So stick to what you know. What's up, my brother? 𝗙175. Market. Remember, I will. Oh, shit, come on. Again, it's like a double aggressive. Just remember, okay? I don't want y'all to try it. Come on. I will be looking to go long, though. Okay? Just so you know. Remember, on that, we have the aggressive, and then we're kind of adding a layer. On the layer, I haven't given it a name. I'm going to be testing that out. Y'all know what I'm doing, I think. If not, you're going to type in error. But that's only going to be one contract. Okay, I will add to the trade on our normal. Okay, there's a lot going on. That's why we suggest pick one or two and focus on it. So right now, I'm still just, I'm still waiting. We got a key level here and key level here. Ooh, wow. Thanks for picking up the other direction here. Let me clear out the active trader. So market's flat to down. If we keep going down, I'm gonna go ahead. We got to look. One of the things you got to do is you got to get ready ahead of time. So when I say this is what I'm looking to do, because we got to get ready ahead of time. So now I'm going to be looking to go short. The 84s advanced. 84s advanced. But that can switch at any moment. 84 advanced. Looking to go short. Yeah, we're good on that. And now remember, my advanced, I'm not messing around. That's why I do my normal contract size, because I'm not testing that out. I've been doing that for like years. So that's my normal contract size of 50. I'm not saying do 50. If you're just starting with it, just do 2, maybe 3 if you want to scale out, but don't do more than that. Don't do more than that until you got it down. Again, I'm going to try my best to call out everything, but sometimes things start going so fast, you got to know how to do it on your own. Got to know how to do it on your own. Can't only call out so much. I get real freaked out, man, because with the aggressive and the advanced, okay, look, Joseph's typing in what he's doing. Okay? From the aggressive and advanced, sometimes they overlap quick. All right, so I'm looking for right now, it looks like the advanced setup number 1 to the downside. That's what I'm going to do. That way it forces you to learn. If you're like, what's setup number 1? You got to make sure you watch the videos in the members area. You get it for free, right? You got it in there. So that's the best way that I'm going to do it. That way you learn. And again, just follow y'all's plan. Doesn't matter. The most important thing about it is whatever your plan is, be consistent. Okay? I don't care. Your plan doesn't have to be like mine. It doesn't matter. I'm just trading. This is all I do. And my responsibility is to call out what I'm doing, right? If you're doing something like Joseph, he's looking at something different than me. He's typing it in the chat. Rafa looks at different stuff. It's fine. It doesn't matter. Just stick to whatever you're doing. You can type that in the chat. Me, I'm just going to call it out. Now we're flipping back up, right? So what the fuck's going there? So now I'm going to flip and I'm going to be thinking, my brain is thinking long. Okay. I got it, just getting set up ahead of time, okay? Just getting set up ahead of time. Things are going to, things are going to happen fast. Like I can already see they're picking up fast, so this is going to be tricky. Sometimes the aggressive and the advanced happen so fast. I get kind of confused. So I'm going to be looking to do like the aggressive upon the aggressive, right? Wow, now it's selling off. Shit, dude. It's tricky. You got to be quick. Shit, you got to be quick. Fuck. I would say, no, I'm going to look to do short. I have to. I mean, normally I wouldn't. I mean, I'm on my own. You don't have to worry about it. But damn. I'm going to be honest now. I'm flipping it back short, like long, short. I don't like that, but it is what it is, right? Atta boy. Oh, the NASDAQ. All right. Joseph made 48. Oh, so Joseph traded the NASDAQ. All right. You can go ahead and erase it. There you go. Damn, dude. This is choppy. It's all right. You will have opportunities. Just be patient. Every day, this is what we do. Way to go, brother. Yo, Joseph trades the Dow, the Russell, the ES, and the NASDAQ. Atta boy, Joseph. All right, so let me flip back short here. '83s. You can go the 84s if you want. Well, actually, yeah, I'm gonna do the 84s. 84s. There we go. On my normal, it's looking like we might have the advance. So I'm gonna do my normal position size. The 84s. Damn, dude, this is tricky. It better happen soon. It better happen soon. If it does not happen soon, we're going to have to back off. We either get our setup or we don't. It's that simple. You know, we're about momentum. And if the market doesn't have any momentum, we're not trading. I'm not here to just, you know, I'm not here for like little pops. I mean, I guess that could be the scalping, but the majority of our stuff doesn't come from it. I'm here for like a momentum that can sustain itself for like, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. I'm not here for just quick little pops, man. No way. Been day trading this. Y'all know now it's going to be, it's like around 5 years. Just focusing on the ES for 5 years. That's why I can really read the price action. I'm all about looking at the price action. I'm not using any indicators, right? I'm just trying to figure out what's going to happen. I was talking to my son about that this morning, that, you know, we're trying to, anticipate the momentum, or if there is momentum, figure out a way to get on board for the ride. Ticks are picking up to the downside, right? I'm thinking short, but again, I don't know. At this point, it's just chopping back and forth. I don't know. For those of you that are in the crypto market with me, things are getting really exciting. Things are getting exciting. You ain't seen nothing yet, though. There you go. That's exactly right. Trade your setup. Let the market come to you. Don't chase, and never let feelings of FOMO get you off your trading plan. That is well said, Jay. Thanks for sharing that in the group. All right. So here's the information that I have now. Again, trade your plan. My plan says this didn't happen in the time that it should have happened. So nothing good comes between this time and this 9 o'clock. A lot of choppy like what's happening now. Okay? FOMO, none of that stuff. Just, again, again, I was thinking about this and people were talking to me and asking me questions and they're like, can I trade? Can I trade? Look, here's the deal. All trading is, this is it. It's having a trading plan or system and then follow it. And everybody has different plans. It doesn't matter. There's so many people who trade so many ways. And just because, again, just focus on your system. That's all you have to get good at is your system. Doesn't matter if somebody else has a different system and they make this amount of, it doesn't matter. You're trading your system. And as long as you have a plan, which that's the hardest part, it's developing the system, the plan, like mine. I've been trading the same way for, over 3.5, about 3 years, pretty much. I lost the first 2 years. So that's my plan. It doesn't matter how everybody else does it. All I got to do is focus on my plan, right? With this instrument. If I'm going to learn another system, it's separate from this. I'm not mixing the two. So if you can get a plan, and if somebody gives you their plan, or you buy their plan, or whatever it is, all you got to do is learn it and then be disciplined to follow it. Like, come on, that's all trading is, man. Most people never develop the plan because they lose all their money before they ever be able to figure out the profitable plan. That's why I say you come up with the plan, you test it out, and then you review it, you test it, review it until it's profitable. And then you scale up and then you stick to it. That's it. Anybody in the world can trade if they have a plan and they follow it. Period. If it's profitable. How do you know if it's profitable? Well, you test the results, right? You guys know we are testing, or we're building a system right here. Another strategy, right? I've got 31 trades. We're going to be going over the rules after we get 50. And then we're going to decide, based on the numbers, if we need to adjust. And then we do 20 more. And once it's good, then we start scaling it. Because you guys know, since we're testing, I'm only doing a couple contracts. You can't go broke trying to test something out. That's why they created paper money, right? I'm not using paper money, but that's why they built it. Again, I just want to tell you, because I talk a lot about day trade. I love to day trade as S&P. I love it. You can do it, right? You can do it. Shit. If you follow my plan, I've already given it to you. What's the problem? All right. Now we got to get ready for the next opportunity. After this, though, now everything opens up. Okay? Again, if there's going to be action, we're going to get a piece of it. We just got to hope we don't get stopped out in the meantime. But it is what it is, right? There's no action. I mean, the market's literally inside the opening 3-minute range. Right now, there's nothing. If you've been making money, you're scalping, man. 1 point. That's all you're doing right now. I'm not, again, I do have that system, but right now we have enough trades. I don't need to focus on it, right? I got enough, man. Advanced, which has 4 setups. Basic, which again, I don't recommend do the basic. I recommend the advanced. Aggressive. We do have a scalping. Right now I'm going to kind of hold off on the scalping because I can't measure it all, man. There's too much stuff. You don't need to do it, though. I want to catch a pop. So get ready. And again, we do not have any news item. We do not have any news. So we're good, right? But we got to wait. Now we got to wait for the 30-minute range, okay? Got to wait. I'm going to post the levels here in a minute inside the room. Let me go ahead and say it. Our first VIX morning key levels, right? Very important. And I'm just going to get it set up. They're not confirmed yet. All right. Just in case. All right. Now look at that. Interesting. Hang on, I'm gonna check some out real quick. All right. Here we go. Bam, 30-minute range. Let's go. I'm going to clear out my active trader, reset my brain. Now let's go. Now we're going to have a different picture. Should be a lot more action now. Clearing is over. First 30 minutes are more pre-market traders clearing out their positions. Now we're getting more into that New York session. We're going to see if the institutions are here today. I don't know. Thanksgiving coming up, but we do have this whole week. So I would expect them to at least be here. I mean, I expect that. Next week, probably not, but it is what it is, right? I'm a trader, so I'll trade a couple days next week before I take off to Houston. All right, we're picking back up. Not very big range. It's only like a 10-point range. Not a lot of key levels here in the middle, so it's just kind of been doing nothing. So what I am going to do is I'm going to start thinking about going long, and I'm going to call it the double aggressive. I don't know what the fuck they call it, dude. I don't know. But the one that I'm testing both, but again, I talked about it on Friday. Don't do this first one unless you are comfortable. What's up, John?
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
You're good, brother. I'll be looking to go long, and I'm only gonna do one contract on that kind of that new one, but then I'll add to it, right? So I have no problem with that. Again, I don't expect y'all to do this first one because this is the one that I was talking about. It's like a double aggressive. I'm testing it. I don't know what to expect at all, but I'm not really worried about it. I'm only doing one contract on that one, but then when I add to the trade, if it works, I'll do all my normal. Again, this one, it is what it is. I mean, just one, and then I'll look to add. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop in with the one. That one again. Don't worry about it yet. Don't do it. I'm just testing it. But now I'm in for that one. But now I'm getting ready for our main ones. Okay, that one's one that I'm just kind of in full test mode. But I am going to look to do the other one. All right. So I got a bunch of shit going on right now. I am long, though. I got multiple trades long going on. I don't know what that was. All right. All right. I like it. If we're to pop up here, I can't add anymore, but I'm looking for it to pop up through there. Okay. I'm in the trade already for a lot. Let's see what I got into that last one at. All right, here we go. Here we go. Atta boy. All right. Here we go. Things are looking good. I'm going to actually sell one of them. All right. Just kind of adjusting some stuff here. So I got 10 points on one. All right. Atta boy. Everything looking good. 10. So I'm plus 10. Everything's looking good. There we go. just going to kind of stick with it the way it is. Wow, that a boy. All right. Pop here. So I'm plus 10 on that first one. Now I just got my order sitting there. We'll see what happens. Like for it to work up a little bit more. Kind of see what we got. Need to get a push up through there, but I like it. We'll see if we can hold it. How much time do we have left in this candle? We got about 7, 5, 4. That's going to be good. Watch out for the trap. Okay, watch out for the trap. Got to hold that area, right? I do like it though, okay? I've already taken plus 10, but I'm going to watch this area, okay? I have no problem just jumping out. Let it get going here. Follow your plan. Follow your plan. Atta boy. Just taking some notes down right now. I can't do nothing except follow the plan. I got a target at 60 cents. That last one I got in at exactly 40 cents. I got a 20. I'm looking for to get to the 60. Okay. That's what I'm shooting for. But I'll dump it if necessary. All right. Just kind of waiting for it to take off. Much going on, but everything's looking good. I'll tell you when I'm going to dump it, but right now I got a hard target at 60 cents. Come on, baby. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Hard target at 60. I like what we're doing. I'm just watching. Not focusing on the P&L. Don't even look at the P&L. Good boy. All right. I like that going up. Good boy. Not looking at the P&L. Don't let that hurt you. Right, that'll hurt you. I like it. Come on, atta boy. Moving up bigger. That's perfect. All right. It's not doing much. We need a big push to the upside. Again, I'll dump this sumbitch if it doesn't start picking up. Okay, but right now, a lot of just some volatility in it, but no problem. Stay tight. Stay tight. Stay tight. Just kind of watching it. All right, I'm taking 10 more. So I just took 10 more. I still got my hard target at 60. Or I'll dump it. I'm watching it. Better do some stuff quick. I've taken 20 though so far. All right. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. My hard target at 40 cents is to sell 2 of them. So that'd be 40. That's where it's at. Hard target at 60. Or I just manually dump it. All right. What's doing? I like it. Again, stay strong. Stay strong. We're sitting at plus 20 right now. And I got 2 there. That's that'd be 40. That a boy. I like it. Stay strong. Market's up 8. What else? Oops. Let's see. Dow Jones is down. Ticks one negative. I'm going to sell another half right now. Okay, I got 1 more to go. Okay, I got 1 more to go. And it's going to be still at 60. Okay, so I dumped another one. I don't like these ticks that they're going negative. So what I'm going to do too is I'm going to move the other one to a break even. Again, I still got it at 60. So got it at 60, okay? Actually, I'm going to give it a little bit of room. I'm not going to move it to break even now. I'm going to let it do its thing. So I got it at 60 and I'm not moving it. So anyway, I've already sold most of my stuff because I didn't like that the ticks have flipped up negative. But still got my other one. This was, I mean, again, it is what it is, right? Doesn't look like it's sustaining much momentum. I'm going to go ahead and dump it at break even. All right, so I'm out of the trade. I don't like this action. Wanted to follow through more. It looks like we got hang on, I'm just kind of calculating. Again, it might go back up. I can always add to it. I'm not worried about it, right? I'm going to be looking to add to this trade, not add to it, retake another trade. That's not a big deal. But I didn't like how these ticks have went negative. And let me see what I got here. I have multiple positions going on, so just give me a second here. So I got 30. That one looks pretty good. I got 30 on that one, so I ended up getting plus 50. All right, Jay. Happy with your 48 ticks, right? Yeah. I mean, it's still moving up, but I got plus 50 on that one. Oh, shit, I forgot to post my key levels. Oops, my bad. Just got plus 50 on that one. All right. You know what? It's still going up. So at the end of the day, I'm satisfied. I'm glad it's still going up. Okay. I just jumped out because it went negative, and I'm okay with that, right? But I was a great trade. Plus 50. I mean, come on. I'm okay because now I'm going to be looking to get in on my advance. So anyway, I'm out 100% plus 50. But you still be in this trade. It's actually still looking really good. I had my original target at 60, which looks like it's going to go there. So, shit. Maybe I jumped out too early again. Fuck. Because it's about to hit the 60. That hard target is 60. It's right there. Ah! It would have hit it. Damn. Not yet, but it's close. It's close. What a great trade. Look at that. There it is, son of a bitch. Jeff. Oh, see, this aggressive, man. I mean, again, there it is right there. Bam. Would have hit the 60. Shit. Would have got more. That's okay. But hey, at least I know it works, baby. There it is. Plus 60. Done. That would have added, and I would have got plus 70. Ah! That's okay. See how I'm telling myself that's okay to... And again, the ticks went negative with the time period, so I'm still adjusting myself, man. But I'm out of the trade. And I would have definitely been out at the plus 60. I'm not going for any runners right now. I'm just going for my targets, and that's it. But that did hit the plus 60. I'm out at plus 50, so I'm solid. I would have got plus 70, but I'm okay with plus 50. And you know what? You should be too. All right. That was great. Damn. Look at Joseph. Joseph got 48 ticks, and he's out. You know? I'm not going to get greedy, man. I'm not going to get greedy. I'm going to get my money, and I'm going to get out. That's all we can do, man. Get our money and get out. All right, but it looks great. That trade worked to utter perfection. Because it went to the 60. It went to the 60. Now, what's new? Now I'm focusing right now on the advanced. I'm looking to get in this trade on number 4. All right? I'm looking for the advanced, and I'm focused on the number 4 entry. That's it. If you're in this trade still, you got to manage it according to your plan. I jumped out a little bit early. The ticks, they kind of made me jump out, but it went to the 60. That was my target, 60, and I was not going to go beyond that. Wow, that was good. Y'all aren't saying nothing, so I'm assuming y'all are. I'm assuming y'all made some money too. I mean, that was a valid trade that should have been taken. If you're following the plan, like, you had to take that trade. That was a valid entry. You cannot now. How you manage the trade might be a little bit different, but it went to the 60. But if you are trading the aggressive, you had to get in. You cannot pick and choose which entries you take. That's not how this works. You'll never be consistent if you just pick and choose which entries you think is going to work. That was a valid entry, and it was a valid win. Now I'm looking to get in again. You almost made some money? How'd you almost make some money? How'd I get 50 and you almost made some money? That went to the target, 60. Oh, okay. Made money also. I was like, yeah, how'd you almost make money? I was confused. I was like, what? Great job. Great job. All right. So this might be setting up for a number 4. Maybe. We'll see. This could be setting up for a number 4. Just watching the action. Looking at all of the information coming in, which is, there's a lot of information. All right, so number 4 is off the table. So we're still waiting. Okay, I was looking for that kind of that entry trigger. Didn't happen. So y'all know I'm looking for the number 4 that's in the course. It's invalidated right now. We're still waiting. Now we got a bearish divergence, so we might pull back. That's fine. I'm not in this trade. I'm completely out of the trade. Market's up 10. Dow Jones is still coming in at negative 94, so there hasn't been any sustained momentum yet. The Dow hasn't participated. I know Jeff kind of got me looking at that, right? You know, it's going to be hard for the S&P to sustain any momentum if it doesn't come to the party. But all I know is that was perfection. Perfection. Now, again, you manage to trade differently, but look, I was looking at the P&L the whole time because of trying to, we were never challenged. Like, it never really challenged us. It was always, I mean, it kind of pulled back a little bit, but it never challenged us. That was an easy trade. A little pullback here, a little pause, right? A little flag. We'll see how this candle closes. We're still negative though. We tried to pop up through those 600, so hasn't been any aggressive. And again, I don't know what to expect. I mean, I don't care, right? I don't care. You're going to trade your plan no matter what. For those of you that in the crypto space, did y'all see that nice little pop XRP had?
Yeah, that was crazy, man.
Wasn't that nice?
That thing been in that 50-cent range for so long.
Yes.
It was stuck.
Yes. Yes, it was. It had like that iron wall between about 50 and 60, kind of it lived in there for a long time, and bam, shot up. Now we just got to keep it above that $1 before its next big run up. That was good, though. I've been waiting for that son of a bitch for like 7 years. It's still got a long ways to go, though. All right, kind of pulling back here. Now, you just want to make sure that in this particular case, we hold the 0175 area. Okay, so I'm going to be looking for setup number 3. Okay? Setup number 3 to go long, but I'm going to be reading the information in real time. Again, I'll tell you everything that's going to happen. Again, I got to watch the ticks, though. I mean, I'll tell you, I don't like the selling pressure. I don't like going long in front of... What are they barking at? Who are my dogs barking? What are y'all barking at? Astro! On. Idiots! You're not even out of here. from their bed. Y'all can't even see nothing. What's going on? These fools are barking from their bed. Look at that. Did it bounce all of a sudden? All right. We didn't have no entry anyway. It was close. It was close. All right, baby. Pick up. I like it. The Dow? How's the Dow? Down 104. So the Dow's going the opposite way. But see if we can bounce. Remember, the in-trend momentum entry, you know, comes after that kind of pause and that next leg up. So if we can get another leg up, we're going to be looking for that in-trend momentum entry. The bounce didn't happen. It was invalidated. So again, I use all these words, but they're all in that course, right? But I'll take the plus 50 and be grateful. That was so clean. That was perfect. Like it literally happened, never tested. Took a little bit longer than I would have liked, obviously, but it worked out. Yeah. All right. In-trend momentum entry number 4 is what I'm looking for. Now this back up to that 60 again. So either way, you never got stopped out on the aggressive. Even if you're still in it for whatever reason, you're still in it. Like, if you are, again, I'm not. But hey, what a clean trade. What a clear, simple trade. All right, so here's again. Y'all hang tight. Hang tight. So this is what's going to happen. So for members on YouTube, you're watching it live, right? We're going to jump off here in a second. We're going to stay in the room, inside the school. We're not going nowhere. We're going to continue to trade, you know, for the remainder of our time, looking for our number 4. You'll be able to come off the mic, ask questions, because we won't be live there. If you're watching it and you want to join the school, check down below in the description, all right? Brandon, Jeff, John, Malik, Mark, Roy, hang tight. And we're going to continue to trade this monster. Look at it pick up, baby. All right.